Hello Evermenders, welcome to my channel.
I'm Patricia dos Reis and I created this academy to inspire you to repair and care for your clothes, so they last longer. The way we consume fashion is not healthy for our planet. Did you know that every second the equivalent of a rubbish truckload of clothes is burned or buried in a landfill? That's a lot of waste, and I believe we can do something about it. That's why I created this academy to tackle this problem. I want to demystify the idea that repairing is difficult, but it's not. With me, you can learn a new skill while saving money and helping the planet. So become an Evermender today. Subscribe to this channel and don't miss our weekly tutorials and tips on how to mend and care for your clothes.